Hey guys, welcome to Training Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I came up with a different product basically. So the product name is it is basically for a baby bibs. If you are not aware of what is bibs is basically a product which basically helps your baby or helps you while feeding. So whenever you are feeding your baby, you may notice that your baby is spitting the food material on her or his body, but just to avoid that, you can use this type of bibs so that your baby will not get the food material spitted on her or his body. So it is basically some material which is maybe you can say a nylon or something. I don't know which material it is, but it is quite slippery, and the product which if your baby is spitting on this particular item, it will get accumulated at the bottom. So you know about bibs if you are a baby caretaker or mothers or father or parents. So let me quickly open it and show you guys how it is. So the product name is, guys, I can say it is Kladdig, Kladdig, Kladdig. It is made in China. So I purchased it for around 199 rupees, guys. So I purchased it for 200 rupees in Indian currency. Yeah, so the measurement is, the length is 38 centimeter. So for your baby, if your baby is up to 2 years of age, you can definitely use this. Maybe 2-3 years also you can definitely use it. So length is 38 centimeter. So till 38 centimeter it will work fine. And then let us quickly open it. So it is Kladdig, as you are able to see. Let me quickly take that out, and this is the material, guys. So I hope you are able to see it clearly. On the back you can able to see there is a strap over here, so you can put this strap like this, and this is done, and your baby will not be it is basically adjustable, guys. You can put it anywhere based upon the neck of your baby. And then from the inside also, the material is quite slippery. It is not a cotton or something which water will absorb. It will not at all absorb. So it is quite helpful, and the most important part is it will cover your baby's hand as well. So both the hand will be covered. Most of the time if your baby is self-feeding, her or his hand will be quite dirty, and you have to clean it multiple times, which will definitely impact your baby's health. Maybe she will get sick of cold or something. So you definitely need to consider this type of items whenever you are visiting IKEA, guys. My important, the aspect of taking all these videos in front of you is because you should know what are the products that IKEA sell, and which are the products which are beneficial for all of us. So beneficial products you should definitely know, and you should definitely purchase these items whenever you are visiting IKEA store. And if you have, it is not for everyone. Whoever has small kid or babies in their home, they can definitely opt for these particular items. Okay, and the details I have already mentioned you. It is made in China. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon if you want further videos to be notified. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching.